Importance of conducting a job safety analysis. Part 1. Identifying and developing safe job procedures can help you create a safer work environment for your employees. You can do this by conducting a job safety analysis, also known as a JSA. A JSA is an important part of a workplace safety program. It is a method to study a task to identify hazards and potential injuries associated with each step of a task. A JSA is a tool that can help you develop solutions to eliminate or minimize hazards and prevent workplace injuries. A JSA helps you communicate hazards of a task or job, reinforce the importance of working safely, create safe work practices and procedures, provide step-by-step training for new employees who may be unfamiliar with certain job tasks, and provide a starting point to conduct an accident investigation if an injury occurs. There are many benefits of a JSA for the employer and employees. For instance, a JSA sets job performance and safety standards, identifies correct steps to perform a task safely, facilitates safety training and observations, minimizes accidents, and promotes the importance of workplace safety among employees. A job safety analysis should be conducted by a supervisor and one or more workers familiar with the task, or any other specialist. Using a team approach reduces the likelihood of missing a step or hazard. A JSA should be conducted for each task in a job. It should be ongoing and be reviewed regularly or when a change in task occurs. When done consistently, a job safety analysis can help you keep your employees safe and reduce the chances of injury and illness. For step-by-step instructions on how to conduct a JSA, watch Part 2 of this video series, How to Conduct a Job Safety Analysis.